Hi, this is Ian Agard, founder of Abbi. In today's video, I want to give you a great motivational quote to get you fired up, whether you're a sales rep or a sales manager, or you want to motivate your sales team. It's very simple. Here it is. This is a quote by Jim Rohn, and it says, "Successful people do what unsuccessful people are not willing to do. Don't wish it was easier, wish you were better." It's a great quote. Wish you were better. A lot of times as sales reps or sales professionals or sales teams, we're out there, we're banging the phones, people hang up on us, ghosting us, not showing up to demonstrations, not showing up to appointments. We get discouraged and we wish things were easier, wish that prospects were easier, wish it would be easier to connect with people, wish it would be easier to get sales, wish it would be easier to build our pipeline. Reality is, don't wish it was easier, wish you were better. That's it, Ian Agard. That's my morning sales quote motivation for today. Hit the like button below if you liked it. Also, I encourage you to subscribe to this channel. Abbi, we're a sales solution. We help sales teams, SaaS sales teams, improve their conversion rates by tracking important outcomes based on what kind of sales you're into. Once again, this is it. If you like it, hit the like button below. Subscribe to this channel. Also visit our website at abbi.ca. See you tomorrow.